Your phone unlocks when it sees your face. Factories catch defects no human eye can see. That is pattern 3. Other AI patterns use tables and numbers. Recognition works on images, video, and sound. That is what makes it different. 80 to 90% of business data is unstructured. Images, audio, and video. Recognition handles all of it. Recognition has 3 branches: computer vision, audio recognition, and signal processing. Each handles a different input type. Recognition systems can classify, detect, identify, and segment. Each task gives a deeper answer than the one before it. One smart security camera can classify, detect, identify, and track movement. All 4 tasks running at the same time. Recognition gives AI its senses. Next, the 3 core techniques that make it all work: POW, CNN, computer vision, and speech. Before 2012, humans had to program every visual rule by hand. Then, one model changed everything. CNNs learn visual features automatically from data. No human needs to design them. That is what made them revolutionary. Early CNN layers detect edges and corners. Deeper layers recognize eyes, wheels, and whole objects. Simple to complex. Pre-trained models let you build on what others already learned. This saves months of work and significant training cost. Classification asks what. Detection asks where. Segmentation maps every single pixel. 3 tasks, 3 levels of detail. Labeling cost grows from classification to detection to segmentation. The more detail you need, the more it costs to label. Heavier models are more accurate but slower. If your system needs real-time response, choose based on your actual speed requirement. Ask your team 3 things. How much labeled data do we have? Do we have GPU resources? Can we use transfer learning? CNNs learn features. Transfer learning saves time. Segmentation costs more to label. Next, where all of this creates real business value. 50 workers, 3 shifts, tired eyes missing defects after 2 hours of checking. There is a better way to do this. AI visual inspection runs 10 to 20 times faster than manual checking. And it never gets tired or loses focus. With AI inspection, the defect escape rate can drop below 0.1%. That level of consistency is impossible by hand. AI inspection cuts quality control labor by 50 to 70%. That is a major saving for any factory. The AI must connect to cameras, conveyors, and control systems. Plan hardware integration early. It takes more time than most teams expect. AI vision cuts defects and cost in manufacturing. Next, the same technology recognizing faces Mong, with far bigger ethical stakes. Passwords can be reset. But if your face data is stolen, it is gone forever. That is the core risk of facial recognition. Face recognition can open doors and record attendance at the same time. No cards, no pins, no manual process needed. Facial check-in removes time fraud completely. You cannot clock in for someone else when the system reads your face. Banks use face matching to verify identity and open accounts fully online. No branch visit, no paperwork, no waiting in line. Liveness detection stops attackers from using a printed photo or a mask. Without it, your face recognition system is not secure. Facial data is biometric. Laws require explicit consent and a clear purpose before you collect any image at all. Face recognition delivers security and convenience. Privacy and bias still demand care. Next, teaching machines to hear. Doctors spend up to 3 hours every day typing notes. Voice recognition gives that time back tasks, automatically and accurately. ASR converts spoken words into written text in real time. No typist, no delay, no manual transcription of any kind. Automatic captions make video accessible to hearing-impaired viewers and to international audiences worldwide. Call centers use ASR to analyze thousands of conversations and find the root causes of complaints, data that was never captured before. Accents, dialects, and background noise are the three biggest accuracy challenges for any ASR system you deploy. Speech recognition saves time and creates searchable data. Next, how to manage a recognition project using the CPMAI lifecycle. Most teams think the hard part is building the model. In recognition projects, 6th to 8% of the budget goes to data. Phase 1 must define the task clearly: classification, detection, or segmentation. That choice shapes your data, your model, and your cost. You have 4 data source options: internal data, open datasets, new collection, or synthetic generation. Each has real trade-offs. Before you build anything, ask 3 questions. Is your data diverse? Is it representative? And are the labels accurate? Data labeling is the most expensive and time-consuming phase. Most teams underestimate this cost by half. Plan for it early. 3 labeling options: manual, semi-automatic, or professional outsourcing. Each one trades cost for speed and quality control. Rotate, flip, and adjust brightness to create more training variety. You grow your dataset without collecting any new images. Data collection and labeling define your project. Next, how to build, evaluate, and deploy the model with confidence. A model with 99% accuracy can still miss every single defect. Here's exactly why that happens. Use precision, recall, F1, IOU, and WER together. Accuracy alone does not tell you where your model is actually failing. Understand which error types your model makes most often. Fix those first. Do not retrain blindly before you know what is wrong. Always run a real-world pilot before full deployment. Lab results and live performance can differ in ways that surprise even good teams. Real-world data changes over time. Monitor your model continuously and retrain when performance drops. Deployment is not the end. Evaluation rigor beats model power every time. Next, 2 risks that can end your project: bias and privacy. Commercial face recognition had error rates up to 34% for dark-skinned women and under 1% for light-skinned men. One AI system wrongly matched 28 members of Congress with criminal records. Error rates were higher for people of color. Biased models come from biased data. If one group is underrepresented in training, that group will suffer the most in production. Biased AI leads to lawsuits, public boycotts, and regulatory fines. The damage to brand trust can take years to recover from. Diverse training data is your most powerful defense against demographic bias. It is also the most practical place to start. Test your model on each demographic group before release. Overall accuracy hides the gaps that matter most to real people. Non-diverse data creates unfair models. That is fixable. Next, a risk that is not. Biometric data leaks are permanent. In 2019, a database of over 1 million fingerprints was exposed online with 0 password protection. One company collected 3 billion face images without consent and faced fines across multiple countries. Consent is not optional. San Francisco banned government facial recognition over privacy concerns. More cities and countries have followed since. Users must agree to biometric collection actively. Silence and defaults are never valid consent. Make the opt-in explicit. Only collect what you truly need. Encrypt everything you store. Limit access strictly to those who must have it. These 3 rules protect you. Consent, minimization, and encryption protect your users and your project. Next, a real factory that applied all of this and succeeded. 50 inspectors, thousands of daily defects, no data to improve. If that sounds familiar, this case study is for you. The goal: automate 80% of inspection in 8 months. Budget: 3 billion VND. Team: 7 people from 3 departments. The team spent 4 weeks capturing 5,000 images of good and defective boards under controlled lighting. That was phase 2. The team labeled 5 defect types using bounding boxes. This labeling phase took 6 weeks and was the most expensive part of the project. Using a pre-trained YOLO model cut development time from months down to weeks. Transfer learning made that possible. The final system detected 97% of defects in under 1.5 seconds per board. The project met every KPI. Data drove 70% of this project. The model was almost secondary. Next, the checklist every recognition PM needs. Recognition gives AI its senses. If this helped your PMI CPMAI journey, please like, share, and subscribe for more.